How to install signal lights on an 03 to 06 Chevrolet Silverado. Pop the hood. Pull the pin out from the top of the headlight assembly. Place the pin where you won't lose it. Pull the assembly out. It's still connected, so do so carefully. On the rear, twist and pull to remove the bulbs. Place the old headlight aside. On the rear of the signal light towards the outside end, push the clip to loosen the assembly. Pull the signal light out. On the rear of the signal light, twist and pull to remove the bulbs. Take your new Brock signal light and install the bulb. Install the signal light inside end first, then push the outside end in until the clip engages. Now install the remaining bulbs. Take your headlight and install the bulbs. Seat the headlight back in, lining up the pinholes on top. Insert the pin at the top of the assembly and reseat the handle back in its rest. Brock also offers the headlight mounting pin separately if you need one. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching. Brock Supply, your advantage in automotive.